Hi, I'm Sean Madison, grandchild number 9. Me and Grandma are going to make a macarito roll for you.
What?
Macarito roll.
Macarito casserole.
Macarito casserole.
And you guarantee all kids will love this?
Yes.
Okay, come on inside, guys.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a full bag of diet Doritos, because if you say diet, the parents don't seem to mind.
And what are we doing to them?
We are putting them in this grinder thing, so
Yeah.
they turn into very small pieces of the Dorito,
Like this.
like this.
Yeah. Pulsing it. That's good. Awesome. And then we take it out. I'll do that part for you because there's a very sharp blade in here, right? And we're going to come back. We're going to finish doing this whole bag of Doritos. And when we're done, when this bowl's full, what's happening then? We'll be back.
We'll be back. So we got all of this done. Now we're gonna pour it into here. My mom also very heavily greased it because we want it all to stick together.
All right. We're not going to put it all in, though. Okay? We're just going to put... You want to turn that for me? A bit more faster. A bit more. How about we start with that? So we've got to shake it around, right?
Yep.
And get it to come up the sides, because the macaroni inside is going to come up the sides of the dish. And we want, I don't know if it's going to turn out like that recipe we saw because of the kind of bundt pan it is.
Yeah. It should work.
We'll hope so. If it doesn't work, what's it still going to be?
Still gonna be it.
It's going to taste what?
It's gonna taste delicious.
Tell Mom.
It's gonna taste delicious.
Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see. You think that's enough?
Yeah. Looks good.
Okay. So now we've got a pot of water on to boil. And we have 2 cups of...
2 cups of...
right here.
2 cups of macaroni and cheese.
And we're going to cook that for 8 to 10 minutes once the water's boiled. And when it's cooked and drained, where are we going to be?
We're going to be back here.
Back here. And we'll finish up with you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, Sean. So you're learning this recipe as well as helping so that you can help Mommy make it at home.
Right.
So we have 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan.
Yes, we do.
And we're going to melt it.
Uh-huh.
And once it's melted, you can give this to me.
Okay.
It is 1/3 cup of
Flour.
all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
Yeah. And I should turn that down just a little bit.
Yeah.
So we try to use equal parts of fat, this is fat, to equal parts of flour. So you can pour the flour in for me.
Yeah.
Yep. 1/3 cup. Pour it in. Get it in there, dude. Thank you. So now what we're doing is, if you look in the pot for a minute, we're cooking down the flour. We want to, otherwise it tastes like flour. We don't want that sauce that we're making.
Yeah, nobody wants to taste flour.
No.
But we want this.
So you just got to do it for a minute, right? Probably could have had a little bit more butter. You want to run and get Grandma some more butter? sweetie. You can run it back now. And then you're gonna slowly pour the milk in for Grandma. And we're gonna move to a whisk. You know, that tool that Grandpa doesn't like? He says it's not manly. Okay, so slowly pour it in. Watch out for the hot. Okay, for now, for a minute, that's enough. Whew, look at the steam. And a bit more. You're going to be pouring more, stopping, pouring more. Bit more, bit more. Okay, for a minute. Let's get that mixed up. And this is making the sauce. And what is it we're making again?
We're making a...
More milk?
We're making a
Macarito casserole.
Yeah, macarito casserole.
Okay, bit more? Like half? Yeah. Okay. Stay close. We're going to need the rest in a minute. So the flour, the butter, and the milk are the base to our sauce, right? I just want to get a few more lumps whipped out of here. Okay, pour it in all the way. That's a good boy. We might need a bit more milk, I'm not sure. It should be okay. Then you can pour this in there for me, and that is 1 cup of grated cheddar, what?
Grated cheddar pieces.
You might have to use a hand. He did wash his hands. Okay, keep going. Might have to pull it out with your finger. Oh, there we go. And we stir that in. And here's the part you've been waiting for. When we crack our eggs, try not to crack them directly in here because to the camera, honey.
Because the eggshell might fall out.
There you go. Get busy. This is going to taste so good. I think you're right. I think all kids will like this.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like cheese and macaroni and Doritos?
I know.
Right? Next egg. Give it a hard smack. There you go. Pretty soon our little birds will be laying some brown eggs for us, eh?
Yep.
Okay, and quickly let's pour that right into the pot.
Okay.
We need that liquid. Thank you. And we whip that in. This is going to be so good. And now I need you to hand me that is that macaroni too heavy, do you think? Can you bring it over? Okay, bring it in. Turn the heat off. And pour that into here. See how we used as few dishes as we could? We could have made that juice or the liquid in the frying pan, but who wants an extra dish? There you go. You can take it away. So we mix this up. Oh, what are you thinking?
That looks good.
It does, doesn't it?
Really good.
Okay, so let's take this away. Ooh, gotta be careful for my knee here. I think I would feel safer with you with this right off. Hello, Nina, boys, thank you. Let's put this here. Now, we'll just rearrange some of our junk. So you're going to put a ladle of the noodles in, like that into the bottom and just tap it lightly. We don't want to scrape the sides or the bottom because we don't want to take our crust off, right?
Yeah.
So you can do that all the way around. Yep, just go like, there you go. Right in. And as it gets less in there, I'll just pick it up. It'll be easier. Okay, next. You'll remember this recipe for the rest of your life.
I will.
I think so, okay? Then we do this. And it's very hot, or I would let you do that. So we want half of it in. think that's about half, you think?
Yeah, that's about half.
Okay. And then just smooth it around carefully. We don't want to ruin our shell. And there, we have about this much sliced. Tell Mama and the camera.
We have about this much sliced mozzarella cheese.
And you're going to put that in here one at a time. I can help you. Let's place it in nicely so that everybody gets a nice taste of some. I'll take one pile. There we go. Then it'll melt evenly and everybody should get a nice bit of goo, right?
Yep.
If we don't need it all, we don't need it all. You'll just have to eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think maybe you'll just have to eat maybe 2 slices?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we put this back into the game. I think the kids are getting hungry. I think we're getting this done just in time. What do you think?
Yeah.
We might have used a bit more than half, but we can fake it. Okay. Oh, this is going to be nice. So now, we stop eating for a minute. You can put all that mozzarella cheese, it's about a 1/4 cup, I think, into this. The rest of the Dorito bag's crumbs. And then with your clean hands, mix it up. Let's get it all mixed up in there. And what are we going to do with this?
Then we're going to pour it in here.
Uh-huh. So now the fun part. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, look at the crumb topping.
Oh, that looks good. I can't wait to eat this.
I know. And we're going to put it in a preheated oven of 350 degrees. Do you remember how long?
For 16 minutes?
No, it's going to be more than 16.
18.
15 or 20 minutes maybe. Let me take this out here, Jess. Want to come back? We're going to... Look at those hands. Oh, I'm going to wipe mine off. You can lick yours. Like mother, like daughter. So this is going in the oven, 350 degrees, until it's nice. The cheese is nice and bubbly on the top and it's lightly browned. And then we'll bring you back when we're taking it out. Okay, so we only have 32 seconds. We're going to take it out of the oven. What do? We take it out of the, stand here so they can see you, sweetie. We take it out of the oven and let it cool for 15 minutes, I think. And then we're going to try and flip it. What do you think's going to happen? Go hide. It's either going to work or it's not.
Yeah.
But either way, what is it?
It's a casserole.
Yeah. So, here we go. It's gonna be hot. So Grandma puts her face in it.
Don't burn yourself.
Oh, look at this.
It looks pretty good.
It looks really pretty good. Daughter Jessica is on camera today. Let's see. We don't want to disturb it because we want to let it cool, but Grandma can't leave anything alone. Let's just have a little... It feels a little firm. Feel gently. You can feel it's a little bit firm. It might work.
Oh, yeah, it feels like
Well, smell it. Don't burn though.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Really good. Like
So now we're going to set our timer because they're going to be asking every minute if I don't. Whoop. 15 minutes we let it cool. And then I have another little insert we're going to put over here. And we're going to flip it. And it's either going to be beautiful or it's going to be beautifully flat. But like Sean said, either way,
it's a casserole.
see you in 15.
Yep.
Okay, Sean. It's been 15 minutes.
Yep, it has.
Feel it lightly.
Yeah.
It's nice and firm.
Yep.
I don't want to take a knife and go around because I'm afraid we're going to take all that crust off the side.
Yeah.
So this is the test.
Right.
Should we just spoon it out of here? Or should we try and do the flip?
We should do the flip.
Okay, pray for us.
Okay.
1, 2, oh my God, 3.
Oh.
I heard some movement. It fell.
Oh, is it good?
I don't know. Ooh. We knew it would work.
Yeah.
Wait. Hey, we knew this would work. We had no fears. That's awesome. Let's turn this off. Now let's see how it slices, shall we?
Yep.
Thank God for counters. They make canes. They make good canes.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the knife. Can you get me your plate, Chef? We knew it would work, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, our test is even more.
Mommy can say it worked because she was so
Oh, no,
generous
I don't
with
wanna eat
when.
raw.
How big? How big, honey?
Hey,
Bigger?
Like right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
this is my fork.
The cook gets to try it
We can eat that
first.
we can eat right now.
Okay.
It'll be my fork.
Oh no, wait. Hey, hang on a minute.
I mean, that's what.
Perfect.
Wait, we got some spillage here that belongs to you.
Ooh, this
Can't
looks
forget.
really good.
Don't drop that plate, dear.
No.
Hang on.
I'm excited to have
Ready?
like that kind of like cake.
And showing the camera. It might be hot. Can taste it with
Blow
your
on
lip.
it.
It's not super hot.
Okay.
It is super hot.
So, what's your verdict?
What?
It's really, really, really good.
You want to try some of that with the crumb on it? Yeah.
Hey, that's the master chips.
That's even better.
It's better?
Yeah.
Now, is this something you would want to make again?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, were you watching?
Yep.
Because Sean can help you make it.
All right.
Oh, this is so good.
So, shall we dish up the rest of the kids and have them taste it too?
Yep.
Okay, we'll be right back. I just want to thank our chef, Sean, for making this beautiful, what is it called?
Macarito.
Macarito casserole.
Yeah.
All right, and we already know what you think. And then we have our other grandson, Mr. Kyler. You gonna give it a taste?
Sure.
All right.
That is really good.
Is it?
It is.
Okay. You think all kids everywhere would love it?
Awesome. Absolutely.
All right. And then we have Mr. Jackson. Are you going to taste it for us?
Oh wait, I guess.
All right. Now, you're the mac and cheese pro. You're that age. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Fire.
Do you think you like it a lot or just a little bit?
Yum.
Yum. That's, you heard it. Then we have Mr. Lincoln.
Hello.
He's going to give us a taste test.
It's so good. Just give me the rest, and I'll walk it out here.
How about you can have seconds and sit and eat it?
All right.
Okay, enjoy your juice, guys. Enjoy your Macarito casserole. This is the Paige Family Homestead. Grandkids. Hey, boys.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Go.
Yo.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye.
Over and out.
Bye bye.